So my name is Feng Zhao. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering. I'm a collaborator of Dr. Millings, actually. So I received my PhD in biomedical engineering and completed my postdoc in Florida State University. Before joining the faculty of Michigan Tech, I was senior research scientist in Duke University. So my research mainly focuses on stem cell tissue engineering as well as bone materials. So we make soft tissues. At the same time, we look at the cell microenvironment interactions to better understand the underlying mechanism when we make the soft tissues. For the bone materials, we normally use naturally derived bone materials. For example, the materials secreted by the cells, as well as some bone materials obtained from nature. So what can I contribute to Michigan Tech? So we do adult stem cell research. And for the adult stem cells, actually they are not very fancy stem cells. You can obtain them from your blood vessel, from your bone marrow, from your fat tissue that you don't need. And also, so if you look at that, we can engineer the stem cells in different forms. If you look at there in the journal cover, that is the spheroid. It makes of cluster. It's a cluster of stem cells. Actually, you can inject the spheroids into the injured sites to regenerate the tissues. And also, we can make the stem cells into the cell sheet if you look there. So we can make them into really large size. And if you look closely, you'll see the very, very small fibers, nanofibers. They are at the same size of collagen fibers in your human body. So we can use the material to align the cells. And if you see the green color, those are very, very small microvessels. They are on top of the cell sheet. So they are in the side of the capillaries. So we can use the cell sheet. You'll see there the light cell sheet to make blood vessel, and also use a cell sheet, perivascular cell sheet to make the cardiac patch. And another project we're focusing on is the skin regeneration. We use a cell sheet to regenerate the skin tissue. We got very good results. So I would like to talk to you. Thank you.